Well, hello, this is Lori in here for my Friday night check-in here at Creativation. And my battery's going to die, so this will be a quick one. Had a great day. Got there at about 8:30. Didn't get back till almost 10. Great courses on business and social media. I think that will really help me, and it's answered a lot of the questions I was having. That it was great to get the insight from the experts. 2 art classes. One was a mixed media floral workshop put on by Tracy Weinsful, and that was terrific. And then a Pebble mixed media was taught by Christina Dietz Elms. Both were terrific, and if you check out my Instagram, you will be able to see those projects and what they look like. They were just so much fun. Learned new techniques and got to use some new products, and it was just delightful. So on my way home, I got to take a pedal cab ride, which is fun. I've never done that before. So got back to the hotel, and it was, I don't know, 6 to 7 blocks, but it was really fun, and the weather was wonderful. It felt just a nice 70 and wonderful. So how fun was that? Looking forward to tomorrow. The exhibit's open tomorrow at 10 a.m., so everyone is going to be rushing in to see all of the new booths and all of the fun new products that are out there. So that will be very exciting, and I'm looking forward to it. So again, check out my Instagram posts if you want to see the projects I've worked on today, and as far as some other pictures and snapshots of my activities. Thank you for checking this out, and I hope you have a good evening. Happy day.